cute kids, let's draw a cute toothpaste and toothbrush easy step by step. Kids, I hope you enjoying this drawing tutorial. Doing toothbrush daily is good habit. Now drawing a toothbrush. Kids, like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's make outline more visible. Let's paint with beautiful colors. Green, red, blue, yellow, mint green, red, blue, yellow. Okay kids, take care and see you again in next video.